morning. So we filed a criminal complaint for tax evasion against another flood control contractor, this time against Mark Arevalo, the single proprietor of Wawa Builders. So we filed a complaint alleging tax deficiency of at least 48 million pesos. Basically, the basis of the complaint is that he was given a contract to do a flood control project, a river infrastructure protection in Bulacan in 2024. He received the money, but no flood control project was actually made. So it's a ghost project. And then when he filed his returns, he declared costs for the alleged construction of the project. But since wala naman pong proyektong ginawa, so yung mga dineclare niya doon ng mga deductions, operating costs, are fictitious, inexistent. And therefore, that is the basis why we filed a tax evasion case against him. We're doing this, this is our participation in the campaign against corruption in government projects as unveiled by President Marcos and Secretary Frederico to provide investigation of cases relating